Hey students, today's topic is about the speciality of digestive tract. Our digestive tract is unique amongst the internal organs. Stomach is not a bag and it is like a pouch. Our stomach is not like a bag with a specific volume, but it is like a pouch which is elastic in nature. The size of the stomach depends upon the food that we take. The size of the stomach increases based on the food that we take. If you take more amount of the food, the size of the stomach also increases. In the process of digestion in the stomach, as we know that even the digestive juices play a very important role. The digestive juices are produced depending on the quantity of the food material. For example, now if the stomach is producing same amount of digestive juices, if it is secreting the same amount of digestive juices irrespective of the quantity of the food, then surely the walls of the stomach will be definitely damaged because of its digestive juices which are having strong acids in them. As we all know that the stomach secretes strong acid, that's HCl, is produced in the stomach during digestion. So the HCl secreted by the walls of the stomach is strong enough to digest even the hard bones that we eat. The HCl secreted by the walls of the stomach is quite strong enough to digest even the hard bones as well. Now the question is that then how is the stomach protected from its own acids? The question is that then how is the stomach protected from its own acids? The answer is very simple. The inner walls of the stomach has a very special cells which secretes a slippery substance called as mucus. This counters the action of the acid. This slippery substance, which we call them as mucus, it is able to counter the action of the acid. This slippery substance neutralizes the acid like a lining that is protecting the walls of the stomach from any damage of its own acids. Thus, we can conclude that this slippery substance called mucus acts as a protective lining in the stomach, as like the experiment we are now going to see.